In this video I'm gonna show you how to beat level 106 in IQ Dungeon. So to do this you'll need to move the wizard up the stairs right here and make sure he's standing and facing this way. Just like, just like that. Now press on the torch and move it to his staff like this, and that way he will create blocks like that. Now move upstairs and just repeat the same process. And just move through the door. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.